Welcome to part 2 of the bulgogi series. Today we're making bulgogi Benedict, a brunch dish inspired by Chef Errol Lee, known for his appearance in Culinary Class Wars on Netflix. I had the pleasure of trying this dish at Nami Modern Steakhouse in Kentucky, one of the Chef Errol Lee's restaurants, and I couldn't wait to recreate it at home. If you missed part 1 where I show you how to make easy delicious bulgogi, be sure to check it out first to complete the full experience. Now let's get started. If you want to skip the ingredients and go straight to the cooking, jump to 1 minute and 31 seconds. We're assuming you've already made your bulgogi from part 1. For the bulgogi Benedict, you'll need mayo, honey, and gochujang for the hollandaise sauce. You'll also need eggs and English muffins for the Benedict itself, plus oil or butter for toasting the muffins. I'm using butter as that's what they used at the restaurant. In Nami Modern Steakhouse, they serve a side of green onion kimchi, which adds a great kick to the dish. To make the kimchi, you'll need green onions. I've used regular green onions because they're easier to find where I live, but you can also use the big green onion or teppa if you have them. They taste a little different, but both work. You'll also need soy sauce, vinegar, gochugaru or Korean chili powder, and sugar. We're starting with the green onion kimchi, as we'll later use the kimchi sauce in the hollandaise. This isn't your typical Napa cabbage kimchi. It's often served at Korean barbecue restaurants, and it brings a unique flavor to the bulgogi Benedict. To make it, chop 100 grams or about 0.22 pounds of green onions. Add a tablespoon of gochugaru, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of vinegar, and about 1/3 to half a tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything together and set it aside. Next, we'll make the hollandaise sauce. Start by squeezing out the liquid from the green onion kimchi. You can use your hands or a strainer. This will give you about a tablespoon of thick kimchi sauce. To that, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayo, a tablespoon of gochujang, and a half a tablespoon of honey. Mix it well to combine. Now let's talk about poaching the eggs. There are many methods out there and I found the easiest one. In a bowl, combine room temperature and hot water to create warm water, enough to submerge the eggs. Crack the eggs into the water. Then gently poke 1 or 2 small holes in the yolk using a sharp object. This will prevent the yolk from popping when heated. After making the puncture, cover the bowl and create a few small holes. Microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Check the eggs and if necessary, add another 30 seconds. You'll end up with perfectly poached eggs. This method is foolproof. Now that we have everything ready, let's assemble the dish. Start by toasting the English muffins in butter. Place the green onion kimchi on the side of the plate. Then add the toasted muffins and pile on a generous portion of bulgogi. Next, place the perfectly poached eggs on top of the bulgogi. Drizzle the creamy gochujang hollandaise sauce over everything. The sauce is so delicious, so be sure to add extra on the side. For a finishing touch, garnish with chopped scallions or sesame seeds if you like. And there you have it, bulgogi Benedict, a delicious fusion of Korean flavors and brunch classics. Cut into the egg and watch the creamy yolk flow into the bulgogi and bread. The gochujang hollandaise and green onion kimchi bring just the right amount of spiciness and tang to balance the dish. I'd say this recreation is about 90% like the version I had at Chef Errol Lee's restaurant. It was one of the best things I've eaten last year. I really hope you try it at home. And if you ever visit Louisville, Kentucky, don't miss a chance to check out Nami Modern Steakhouse. If you like the recipe, give a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.